Meaning, I think at ClearTrip, we are very clear that we don't want to kind of impose our worldview and force the customer to download if he doesn't want to, right? So, which is why we are kind of, I think yesterday we launched a huge upgrade to our mobile site. If you go to blog.cleartrip.com, we kind of get a idea in terms of what we have done, and we are very clear that we don't want to impose a view that yeah, you have to download the app. If the guy wants to transact something on the mobile site, he can. Otherwise, if he wants to do the app, so I think we are more than happy for him to kind of. So we've kind of taken a view that that we will stay committed to what the customer wants, right? So that's kind of why we are not shutting down our mobile site like other brands have done. In general, because of higher fuel prices, right? The airline price, like for example, in a peak month like April or May, it actually had touched 6,200, 6,300, an average one-way fare, right? Now the same fare right now is at 5,000, 4,900, right? Typically what we have seen is at average one-way fares of around 5,000, meaning your demand side kind of dramatically increases, right? So, and in the last 8 to 9 months, like your fares haven't dramatically gone up, right? So it's kind of stayed consistently in terms of 4,800 to 5,000, which has kind of brought back a lot of demand, right? So most of our, and generally for any economy, once you see air travel kind of going up in terms of demand, all your ancillary or the categories around that, be it hospitality, be it packages, etc., kind of grow, right? So I think if you look at last year to this year, we have seen almost 70-80% kind of growth in almost even like a category like air flights, right? Which was hard to imagine at this point of time. So last year was a bit tough because of high fuel prices, and now fuel prices are also kind of come down in terms of oil prices have come down. Economy is kind of rebounding. We have seen a lot more travel in terms of business travel has kind of increased as well. Leisure travel is kind of coming back. So the last, specifically the 3 months has been the best in the last, I think, historically for us, the last quarter has been the best quarter for us in terms of transaction growth as well as revenue growth, right? So it's kind of improved a lot post May when we had the new government change as well.